Captain's log 8008-135. Nothing much happening. Again. Chekhov, I thought that we could play something retro. I forget. What are controls? I remember now. Nobody wins. Just the coffee. Here, guys. Did you hear about Chris Smith and Chris Jones? Had their wallets stolen yesterday. Really? Yeah. Police say it's a bad case of Christopher robbing. I don't get it.
Gotta find me an angel to fly away with me.
So, Spock, what do you think? Doctor, I do not understand why you keep asking me to watch these videos. Because they're funny. I fail to see the humor in this video. But it's a cat, Spock. A ninja cat. I do not agree, Doctor. It is simple feline hunting instinct. But it stops each time the person looks at it. To avoid detection, Doctor. No more. Darn it, Spock. You're supposed to be half human. Spock. You do find those videos funny? The cat does act like a ninja. Then, what's all that about with McCoy? Annoying the Doctor helps pass the time, Jim. But, Spock, that is madness. It is better, Jim, than watching that garbage. Good point, Spock. Well made. I have just 20 seconds to... convince you to. Click one of these.